everyone. Today is a very eminent personality sitting in front of us, Mr. Pali. I want to ask sir one question that many youth are there in this country. They have not craze to go in the field of politics, whereas many good actor and actress are allowed for in politics. So don't you think that they must not be allowed and you should go in the field of politics?
Yes, investor. There are many investors in our country, and actors should not allow for them because it is big reason that some investors are aware to politics and many investors are educated in this time, so they want to job in this time and many fields. So it is big reason of this country because investors are not going in politics. So it think of investor, and investor should change his thinking.
Okay, as we know that in the cooperative sector there is a much pressure and there is a sitting job there. So for this people are affecting and getting different type of diseases and problems by doing job there. So what is your perspective and outlook towards the cooperative sector? Should they do and should they continue this type of job there or not?
We should continue job in any sector because we job anywhere, so we have knowledge. I don't know.
Okay, as we know that today's generation they want to get only job in hurry, but whereas they don't have patience and fortitude. So should they keep patience in their mind that after working hard, gradually one day they will get job. So they should have patience or not for stay positive and stay very comfortable and energetic.
Yes, patience is very important for every person because they have not patience, so they cannot do anything in their life because patience is first in every people life. So every investor and every student can get knowledge by patience. So patience must important for education field and every field. Good morning all of you that are present here. I want to take interview Mrs. Sonam. So first question is that some people say that advertisement are fake. So but you know that advertisement tell everything for people. So what do you want to say about this matter?
People are saying sometimes right, because advertisement is we get many more information by the advertisement. If we talk about one of the advertisement of like learning app, and there are many learning app in advertisement like for children like Byju's and Wi-Fi study and many more. So it is right, but sometimes people get fake information by the advertisement, like many more cosmetic product and many fake news. So I think both are people are right, saying right sometimes and wrong.
Okay, my next question is, you know that a plantation is very important for us and environment. So plantation can remove, you know. So what do you want to say about and what do you want to give message for people? Yeah.
We know that nature is very important, and many more things in nature, like river and plant. And you said that plant is removed. So I think my advice for the people should many more plant, and if we don't put the plant, they can they don't put the plant. So I think our future is serious, and if you life is very problem in next generation.
Okay. My next question is nowadays many fashion are running in this time, like haircut, and many investors are wearing fashionable clothes. So how can a youngster save for fashion?
We know that youngsters adopt the fashion. It is not wrong, but I think over fashion is wrong, because some people are rich and some people are poor, and rich people always rich people don't respect the poor people, and they are always over limit of fashion. So I think it is wrong, and my advice for rich people and all these people, be